the deli. You have a fire in the deli. Yeah.
Fire Control Battalion 2, stand by for dispatch.
At the time, the MGM Grand Hotel fire was the second worst hotel fire in U.S. history.
What do a deadly fire, pipe bomb, and Star Trek have in common? This place. Welcome to Horseshoe Las Vegas, formerly the MGM Grand and Bally's, where the walls have seen everything from glitzy showgirls to literal firestorms. Today, we're diving into the wild history, the unforgettable moments, and everything this iconic spot has to offer in 2025. So let's roll.
This corner of the Strip has been through it all. It opened in 1973 as the MGM Grand, a crown jewel of luxury. But in 1980, tragedy struck when a fire tore through the casino, killing 85 people in one of the deadliest high-rise fires in U.S. history. Rebuilt stronger and safer, it rose again in 1981. By 1986, it had a new name, Bally's Las Vegas. Over the decades, it hosted everything from Dean Martin roasts to Star Trek premieres. And in 2022, it embraced its heritage once again, relaunching as Horseshoe Las Vegas, a name that nods back to Binion's legendary downtown casino. You want wild? This place delivers. Let's start with Chill Wills. Yes, that gravel-voiced cowboy from the MGM studio days. He was the first person to get married at the original MGM Grand, because who doesn't want to say I do next to a slot machine? Then there's November 21st, 1980, infamous for the tragic fire. But get this, just 6 years later, someone planted a pipe bomb in the sports book and tried to extort the casino for $200,000. The authorities found it, diffused it outside, and when it blew, it barely had the power of a firecracker. Vegas drama, anticlimax edition. So yeah, between weddings, wildfires, and wannabe heist plots, Horseshoe Las Vegas has lived more lives than most cities do. Before it was the Horseshoe, this legendary Las Vegas property had a starring role in Hollywood history, literally. Back in 1998, the world premiere of Star Trek Insurrection beamed down to the Jubilee Theater. From 1974 to 1984, it was the home of the Dean Martin Celebrity Roast, where egos were flambéed in the Ziegfeld Room. And yes, Apollo Creed met his match in Rocky IV, right here in the Jubilee Theater. Those aren't just props, that's real Vegas history. Sam Kinison recorded an album here. Cage crashed here in Honeymoon in Vegas and Leaving Las Vegas, and even Grand Theft Auto San Andreas gave the resort a digital shout-out as the High Roller. From poker shows to Hell's Kitchen to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, this wasn't just a backdrop, it was the main stage. Call it a hotel, a casino, or a film star, but one thing's for sure, this place knows how to steal the scene. All right, you're booking a stay at the Horseshoe Las Vegas, and you're thinking, which room should I get? Well, let's break it down, because this place has more options than a late-night dinner menu. First up, the resort rooms. These are your standard get-the-job-done rooms, but don't sleep on them. Actually, do sleep on them. They've got comfy beds and solid style. You can choose between one king or two queens. And if you're bringing your furry sidekick, they've got pet stay options. Want to upgrade the view? You've got high roller views, South Strip views, or snag one of the newly renovated versions for a modern touch. Next, level up the resort studio. Same bed options, one king or two queens, but with a little more elbow room. And again, they've got those same slick view options and recent renovations. Need space to spread out or impress someone? The Resort Executive Suite gives you one king, a nice living area, and the vibe of I've made it. Some are newly renovated, and yes, you can bring your dog or your view-obsessed friend. Pet stay and high roller views are in play here too. Then there's the Penthouse Suite, aka Vegas royalty. 2 king beds, massive space, anywhere from 2,500 to over 3,400 square feet. That's not a room, that's an apartment with bragging rights. Great for groups, parties, or just feeling like a boss.
So right here, we have the blue pool. It has 2 pools. It has 10 cabanas and like 28 day beds. But here's the kicker. It's first come, first served, and it's free. They don't care whether you stay here or if you're just a local. Come on down. Use the blue pool. All right, guys, so one of the things we tell you about coming to Vegas is use the monorail to get around. It's very convenient. It goes through the back of the strip hotels. There's a station here at the Horseshoe for the monorail, so give it a try.
Right outside the front doors of Horseshoe, smack dab on the Vegas Strip, you'll find the Grand Bazaar shops, a vibrant open-air shopping playground that's got something for everyone. With 20 unique stores and boutiques, you can snag everything from wild Vegas souvenirs to handcrafted jewelry and exclusive fashion finds you won't see anywhere else. It's part street market, part sensory overload, and a perfect pit stop, whether you're hunting for a gift or just something sparkly to justify the trip.
All right, guys, so over here I've got Jack Binion's Steak. It's the steakhouse here at the Horseshoe, $3 sign. So it's a little pricey, but they've got all the classic cuts of steak. They've got some seafood, and they have some supreme cocktails. So come on out, give it a try. All right, guys, so here I am at the Horseshoe Food Hall, marked by this massive sign above my head. Fast food here, $1 sign, mainly just for quick snacks, fast eats while you're out and about on the strip. Stop by here, grab something to eat. So Guy Fieri has planted the Flavortown flag here at the Horseshoe. He's created one of the best places to come watch games, drink, and eat while sports are on. It's an amazing place right here, his little sports kitchen. It is $2 signs. Come on out and check it out. So we got La Vaza behind us here. Just a typical little, shack inside the hotel. $1 sign. Coffee, fruit juices, fruit smoothies, baked goods. That's it, just a snacky place. Right behind me is the Nosh Deli. $1 sign, typical just snack place. Come and check it out. So right behind me is Giordano's Pizza. If you're from Chicago, you've known about this place for 40 plus years. This one's right here on a strip attached to the Horseshoe. There's also a cheaper location, Locals Tip, in Summerlin. Go check it out. So behind me here is Wahlburgers, and it's just typical American fare. $2 signs. It has burgers, vegetable dishes, some fish, chicken. Give it a try. Old Red right behind me here for food and country music. It's going to get your ass boot scooting and your taste buds boot scooting, both at the same time.
Ready to roll the dice? Horseshoe's Casino brings the heat with 20 live poker games, 36 table classics like blackjack and craps, and 750 plus slots and electronic tables lighting up the floor. Want to bet on the game? 11 sports kiosks have got you covered. Well, this isn't your grandma's bingo hall. It's Vegas, baby.
All right, guys, so I'm in front of the arcade at the Horseshoe, 7,000 square foot arcade, more than 90 arcade games in kind of a urban neon environment that you'll love. Kids are going to love it too. Bring them on down to the arcade at Horseshoe. All right, guys, so this is X Rock. There's a show here called X Rock. There's a brand that's an X brand. They have X Country and they have X Burlesque. This is X Rock. And it's a topless review. You won't catch me staring though, but come on down and check out the show. It's a fun time for everybody. All right, guys, BattleBots. It's a BattleBot riot here at the Horseshoe. It's crazy. They got BattleBots. They fight one another. Laser beams, hammers, saws, you name it. These crazy people are trying to destroy the other person. Come on down and check out BattleBots here at the Horseshoe. All right, guys, so this is Frederick's Paranormal Magic Experience, and the only thing that you're going to be sure of after you're done watching this show is that you're never going to forget Frederick Da Silva. That's a certainty. Come on down to Horseshoe, check out this show. They've got a lot of great entertainment here. Who said they don't have creepiness here in Las Vegas? Real Bodies. It's an anatomy exhibit using real human specimens. Yeah, you heard me right. Real human specimens. The bodies. Harry Potter. Yes, they have a show here called Potted Potter. It is all 7 Harry Potter books in 70 minutes. I'm not BSing you. This is my favorite show I've seen in Las Vegas, and I've seen a crap ton of shows. This one is my favorite. And I'm gonna tell you something really important that you don't know. Please don't unsubscribe when I say this. I hate Harry Potter, and I loved this show. I would go see this show weekly if I could. This was a great show, so come on out and check out Potted Potter. It's the funniest show you're gonna see. 2 people do the whole show. It's amazing. So if you guys have been watching our channel for very long, you know we like mini golf. We did a video up here somewhere on Kiss mini golf, but this here is a Twilight Zone mini golf. It's out of this world, crazy arcade games, live DJ. You gotta come check it out. It's fun time, bring your kids. All right guys, so here I sit inside of the Indigo Lounge. They've got to have the heaviest chairs I've ever lifted in my entire life. This place is for some cool nightlife here at the Horseshoe. You got some live entertainment, chic cocktails. Come on out and check it out if you're here in town. All right guys, so I've got the Lock and the Cabinet of Curiosities Lounge here. So the Lock is a speakeasy. It's one of the newest speakeasies in town. They're a rage here in Vegas, and stay tuned. We'll probably have a video about speakeasies in Vegas sometime soon, and we will come back and put a card up here for it. But the Cabinet of Curiosities, it's like a bespoke lounge, and it has like items from around the world that are in like little cabinets and whatnot, and you can get up really close to them. Some of them have their own stories, and then the mixologists take you on a journey through the door of your imagination to help you have a good time here while you're getting toasted. That's all I can say. All right, everybody, so we got the lobby bar right here behind us. Typical bar, you know, you come here, get your drinks. They're kind of overpriced, but when you're here playing the games, pick up a drink. We have Sully's Casino Bar. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to pour you your favorite alcoholic beverage whenever you want it.
Horseshoe Las Vegas isn't just another casino, it's a time capsule with a Western twist. Whether you're here for battle bots, burgers, blackjack, or a speakeasy with secrets, this place delivers the old school charm with new school energy. If you like this tour, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out our Vegas Buzz community for more behind the scenes tips to make the most out of your Sin City trip.